the floor. Girl, you so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me a love, now I really want more. Girl, you so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out, I don't really take tests. You gave me a love, I'm addicted.
Hey guys, what it do, baby, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload. Like, why would you want to miss out on that? Tell me, baby, why? So turn on that notification bell. So what I'm going to do right now is do an eyebrow tutorial. A lot of people have been asking me to do one, so why not do one? Now the thing about it is I have a slit in this one, so if you want to see how I do my eyebrow with a slit, like an actual slit, it's not makeup, and if you want to see one without the slit, stay tuned. Also, you could also finish this look with makeup. You don't have to like thin your eyebrows. So basically the same way I will be doing it is the same way you'll be doing it, but with makeup. Like, gonna finesse it, okay, baby? So we're gonna go straight into the video. I'm gonna come up a little bit so that it could focus more. You could focus more up here. So what I will be using is my brown eyebrow pencil. It comes with a sharpener. I sharpened it already. The point doesn't have to be big or whatever. It doesn't have to be big. I try not to make it focus on me. And then I have these two brushes. So this one is an elf brush. I got it for this part. It's supposed to be like this, but I prefer it like bent. You don't need this brush. You could get this one 2-in-1, but like I don't really use this. I prefer this one. This is a brow angle brush I got from the beauty store, like just some brown, it was some eco brush, so I was like, let's try it, and I stuck with it. So this one and this one and this, and also we'll be using concealer. You cannot forget concealer. So this one is the LA Girl Pro concealer. I think like a lot of people have been speaking about it, and I don't know, I like it. I feel like it's really affordable and it works really well. So I got the shade Beautiful Bronze. So that's all we'll be using, and also have a mirror, because I mean, anyways, so what I was coming to tell you guys was, you know what, oh yeah, this video will not be edited. It will be like running straight through, so every time I make a mistake, every time I do something, every time I get up, you guys will see, because baby, I'm really not about to be editing a video for you guys. I want you guys to see how I do it step by step, understand? So we're gonna start with this one first. So I'm going to actually just do this eyebrow alone. Actually no, I'm gonna do both, because that's how I do it. So you could either like watch through the entire thing, or skip part and part if you just want to see how to do this one, or skip part and part if you just want to see how to do this one. But it's up to you. But I would advise you to just watch my whole video straight through, right through. You feel me? So what I do is get this, and I just brush my eyebrow in the direction that I want to, like, you know, to mark it up, just like this. Then I take this and like I literally like just draw what do you call it, that basically outline it. So if you don't have eyebrows, you can outline it to the size that you want, or you could outline it bigger. It doesn't matter how you outline it, because you're still going to be going in with the concealer. So as you see, I went a little out of my eyebrow zone, like the ending. So yeah, I'm going to try not to speak or whatever, but I'm really trying not to. Y'all see how I just skipped, like I didn't go all the way. Now I'm going to do the top part. I like to do that side first. So top part, you guys watching, top, and then I stop, and then I go down. So this is part of it. Then go to the other side, same thing. Ensure that when you're doing the other side, it kind of like on the same line, like you start almost on the same line as the other one. If you make a mistake, that's fine as well. You could always like just wipe it off, or you could just leave it and then use the concealer to clean it up. So I don't like these arched eyebrows. I like my eyebrows like curved, because I find that's how my eyebrows is, so it sits well with me. So I just like it curved. Guys, you just have to study your eyebrows, study the movement of it. You could always change it, but I wouldn't advise you guys to change the way your eyebrows actually grow, because then it wouldn't suit your face, you understand? So if like I have an arched, like if you see I have a curved eyebrow, sorry, my eyebrows are curved, and then I go put an arch, it wouldn't sit right with my face, it wouldn't look nice with my face. So I would just advise you guys to like stick with the shape of your natural eyebrows. So this is what I do. I just do my little curve, and then I fill it in really dark, like really dark, like inside. So on that side I don't really have a thing, so it's just color up and then color. See? And then hair, now I darken it a little bit at the bottom, not all the time, but most times, like I draw it like this. Then I take this, the spoolie. Is it a spoolie? I don't know what this is called, but I take this right here and like I do this, like I brush it like to blend it, just like this, and then I take this one lightly, like I do not brush this part like dark, like I do not brush this part as hard as I do for hair, because hair, like I just want to blend it out, lighten it up. I don't want it to be the same color with around hair. So this is what I do. Like I pass it hard here, but like for the rest, like I just brush it over so I could lie down in the direction that I want it, right? So far so good, but I don't like the way up here looks, so I'm going to add a little more pencil here. And okay, so what we do now is going with the concealer. So usually I just do this, put it right here. Guys, if you do not have the brush, you could use this right here. You could always use this the same way you see I do it here. Press, squeeze, and put it on my arm. You could always use this, and then you could like just go in with it, like use it like a brush. Like you see, you could actually use it as a brush, but I rather not. I prefer to just use this like this. Don't take too much still, but it's whatever. And what I do is like line. See? Boom, just like that. Then I go to the other side, same thing, nothing different. You'll see this. So it's just like this. Then I go to the top part. Now the top part is a little different for me. So what I use, I don't usually use the, like you see how I use the tip part, like to draw a thin line. The top part, I don't do a thin line. The top part, like I literally just watch, press, and I literally just drag it, like drag. Like that's what I do. Like I drag it, and then I go in with it like this, just to ensure that I get the sheet or whatever with it. Guys, if you want to make it smaller by concealing it a little more, I feel like I should make it smaller. Not sure, but we'll see. Let's go to the next one. So the next one, gonna just do the same thing. You see? Same thing. Now we go back to the bottom. Yo, my voice changed because I still kind of with the flu. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah. Oh yeah, I like to lift my eyebrows when I'm doing it. I'm sorry guys, I wouldn't advise y'all to lift it, but I usually lift it to like it could, I don't know, I just like to lift it. You don't have to lift your eyebrows if you don't want to, but yeah. And you basically play with it just until you're done. Now I usually get a unibrow, like I don't know if it will focus, but I usually get a unibrow and I clean it up. But I ended up shaping it. I ended up shaping my brow. So what I do is go down the middle. Like y'all see this, y'all I know you guys see this. So this is as simple as it gets. Like that's basically all I do with my eyebrows. And then for the slit, guys, okay, for the slit, if you do not have one, you could always do one. Like just watch your eyebrow and then like you slant it a little, although mine is not that slanted. But since I do have one, what I usually do is just pass concealer in the middle of it like this. Like that's basically it. I don't usually use this. I do not use this, but since I put too much, I'm going to use it because, and just like that. Now to blend it, what I do, most times I take this, like if I do in my foundation, I don't really clean it out properly, but I use rubbing alcohol to just clean like close to it. Like I blend it out and I use rubbing alcohol to remove all the excess one. But if I'm putting foundation, I just blend it out and then I put my foundation over it. If you have a beauty blender, you can use it. I have one right there. I have one right here, so you can use a beauty blender if you like, but I don't use it. Like I say, I don't use it, but you can use it if you want to use it. Like you can use it, but I don't really like to use it, you know. I don't know why I don't like to use it, but I don't really like to use it. Although it's giving you a clean, but I don't know. I like to use it. I like to do this, like just blend it out. So yeah, like I said, like y'all, this is literally what I do, especially when I'm just doing my eyebrows alone. Is either I just do this, or like I said, use your rubbing alcohol. And it all depends on what shade you use, because that one is close to my skin color or whatever. But this is basically all I do for my eyebrows, and then I'm done. Like, I'm literally done. If you want it smaller, like I said, you could add more concealer to make it smaller. If not, it's whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. So the mascara I'm using is Great Lash by Maybelline. Black as Black. Yeah, that's it. Black as Black. That's what I'm using. And this is all for the video, guys. Like, if you guys like this video, I'm gonna cut it short because I mean, look at the length of it and it's already not edited. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't, exit, take a left, take a right, I do not care, go where you're going. But anyways, guys, this is it for the video. Bye.